Here I've got LG V60 ThinQ, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then locate and open wallpaper and dim. Click on allow, and now just pick the wallpaper that you would like to apply. So here you've got all the options, and now you can see the preview. Then let me take a look at this one. Here we've got live wallpapers, and if you click on more, you've got some more options to pick. So maybe I will choose this one. Then decide if you want it to cover both home screen and lock screen, and if you want to do it this way, just tap on set wallpaper. And as you can see, from now on you've got brand new wallpaper on both your home screen and also the lock screen. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.